Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another kit, and this is the burlap pocket kit. And yeah, if you I make the shabby chic kit last 2 weeks or last month, right? Yeah, and this, so I make another two kit for it's a vintage theme. So yeah, who miss out the shabby chic theme, so yeah, you can get this. And this is another beautiful gorgeous kit that I created, and all this I sew on the burlap trim. So yeah, this, okay, so you can get this really okay, beautiful. So yeah, this, let me do side here. So, okay, and also I include, okay, show you the kit burlap book first. This book I didn't glue it together. I didn't glue it together. I will give you one row of this so you can glue combine, join, yeah, glue the kit like what I did. Okay, because yeah, sometimes yeah, you can create the way you like. You can make it trifold, or yeah, just whatever you like. So I just leave it and let you do glue it by your own. Okay, so for the image, I did all this image here. So yeah, this is the beautiful vintage girl. So another layer this, so you can see how you play with this. Okay, and another page, and all in the fabric. I print out this, so you got two of these. Okay, and you can see I first cut out this image and show you. You can decorate like so, and this page here. Okay, another two page fabric like so. You got two different patterns here, and another vintage girl, and also cut fussy cut like so. It's a very big piece image here. So for the bottom layer, this, and all this image, yeah, I will pop the link below description box because I purchased from Etsy shop. So I use it to make a kit here, and another page here, another, like so. Okay, and I also first cut out this. Okay, this image here. So another two page here, and this is the back. So all this is the image and the burlap pocket. Okay, and for this, for you to make the glue together the page. And also I have the crochet flower that I crocheted. So yeah, you can put all this ribbon flower in the middle. It's turned out beautiful. This is the light color. Yeah, this. So beautiful. And yeah, this here, and some small, and like this one, and in green. So middle you can put any color flower you like. Okay, and let me see, I think I still have one more. Yeah, another page color, and okay, another big one. So we have many crochet flower here. Get another one piece here. Okay, so you can use all this to put in the middle. Okay, the center, I mean. Okay, this, and I'll show you the lace and this white flower netting lace. So you can use this to make a pocket too. If not, you can fussy cut out also. I mean, cut the pieces out. And beautiful tangle piece lace here. Another piece here. Another one. Oh, this is the white lace, and some of these glitter trim lace. Yeah, so you can use all these to decorate. And this scallop lace. Okay, and show you. You have, I think 10 of the different colors, 10 pieces of the different color of this ribbon flower. Okay, put here, and the big piece of this, so you can use it to decorate your page like so. Okay, and also in different sizes. Okay, and all this is the tag for the pocket. Yeah, you can stuff all this into the pocket. And what like this is, I'll show you. Okay, and make this is the tab. You can see. Yeah, I also sew it with the cheesecloth here and glue the flower, so you can use this all into your tag card like so, or better this way, because the pockets, yeah, depends how you glue your, but I think it's this way, because some of the images, the images is this way. So yeah, you can put the tag here inside the pocket and put the tab. Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, or this is the tab, and make different color. Do 3 in the soft color and 2 in the bright color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, because only have 5 pocket, so it makes 5 here. Okay, and inside also I print out all this in cardstock, so you can decorate your tag card also. Okay, and I also distress here the edges. All this I edit all this. Yeah, taking the time to make all this thing. So yeah, this is a tag, and I also include some of the pin, so you can pin. Okay, let me to show you first. Also, you have the small tab, small image tag for you to play. So you can use all this tab to glue here. See, different image. So you have different 4, 5, I mean how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you have 6 different image here. So all this is the paper clip. So you can use all this to create your project. Okay, and also include some pin so you can hang something here. And just glue. Okay, and this one I make this for you to, you can just hold a bunch of the different tag here, and I make this pocket envelope. So both sides also print. This is the envelope. You can journaling, do your journaling here. Different image you can glue here, and got different tag here, another tag here, and I make just 2 sets of this envelope, so you can play with this. Okay, so all these thing here is a vintage burlap pocket kit. Only have 2. So if you are interested, just leave me a comment here or send me a message in my Etsy shop or my Facebook kit group. Okay, so that's it. All this is the kit. Them here, and you have so many to play with. Okay, I really hope you like this kit, and just give me a big thumbs up if you like this kit, and leave me a comment and let me know what do you all think with this kit. Okay, and bye bye, and I still have some more kit to coming up soon. Just please stay tuned so you won't miss out the kit, because all is limited quantity, 1 or 2 or 4, something like so. Okay, and bye bye, and thank you for watching.